Today I'm going to be making peanut butter or tiger butter candy, and some people call this tiger butter fudge. I have never done this before. It looks very easy, just reading online or YouTube. Also, my friend from work, she suggested to me that this is very easy to work. Thank you for Kara. What I have here is, what you need is a pound of Morsel white chocolate and a half pound. We're just gonna be making a little because we will not be able to consume this right away. We have to eat them slowly. And again, we have a pound of Morsel white chocolates and half pound of Morsel chocolates. And we have creamy peanut butter. We're probably gonna need only like a two-third cup of peanut butter. I'm gonna go ahead and melt this white chocolate. So let's do that. I'm gonna get this thing ready, the peanut butter. Alright, let's melt this white chocolate for a minute and a half. The chocolate is now melted, and let's go ahead and stir it. And we're gonna need probably a two-thirds of peanut butter. There you go. And we need to microwave this for at least 30 seconds. Stir this white chocolate with peanut butter. Smells good already. Okay, what I like to do, I'm gonna pour this to this here. I'm probably gonna do only like make it very thin because I still have to pour some milk chocolate on top. Alright, now let it sit aside for now. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead and melt the chocolate for a minute. Okay, we do have the milk chocolate. first creation. What do you think?
Interesting. Can't wait to try it.
Yes, we will have to put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And until it gets hardened, we can go ahead and cut them into tiny bites.
Can I lick the bowl?
Yeah, sure. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. My very first peanut butter fudge. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. If you have any questions and comments, please leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if this is your first time, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Ta-ta!